Pancake, come here. What's up? Just eat. You gonna burp? You gonna puke? Are you in the frame? I can't even tell. Pancake. This thing and I are gonna unbox a beater box for Beater Box Friday, I guess. Well, I'm going to. She's probably not gonna stick around. Are you gonna stick around? She just ate, so she might burp all over the place. And we're gonna clean a pair of shoes too, so stick around for that, I guess, if you really want to. You should. Hey! Yeah! Just as I put her down, she's like, Pancake burps with the best of them. Hi! Speaking of burps, something I do very often on video. Welcome to the channel, I'm SB Mitch. Thanks for tuning in. If you want to follow me on Twitter or Instagram, you can. Here's my handle. It's on Instagram and Twitter. I'm far more active on Twitter than I am Instagram. Below that is my website, sbmitch.com. That's where you can find all the shoes from this box for sale today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hey, pals! You know who else is a pal? The sponsor of this here video, Reshuvinator. I'm a big fan of Reshuvinator. I've used it for years now, even before I was sponsored or an influencer by them. There's a code right now going on. It ends tomorrow, so you need to use it by tomorrow. If you want to save some money on your Reshuvinator.com order by the end of the day tomorrow, use my code SBMitch30 to save 30% off of any order that's $30 or more, but it ends tomorrow. I'm gonna do something in this box. We're gonna pull out a shoe and we're gonna clean it like sort of quickly in a video, just for fun, why not? So Reshuvinator.com, SBMitch30 or SBMitch10 if it's past February 29th. It's Beater Box Friday, like I said earlier. This box is from Sole Supremacy, solesupremacy.com, at Sole Supremacy on social media. This box was $700 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois, for a grand total of $750. Look, counter, clearance. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors. Then we're gonna take the entire estimated box value, break it down, compare it to how much I paid for the box, because we wanna see how much money we wanna make. So let's open the box and see what's going on in here. Last two boxes I got were not very impressive. Last box was pretty okay, but the box before that was not great. I've had really bad luck with the $900 to $1,000 range. Those are the riskiest as I looked into my numbers stuff, but this box, the $700 range has always been good to me. And this box, I can already tell, has no loosies, so that's pretty awesome. I got a size 8 Airfoamposite Pro. I think I did that joke in a previous video where I got these. This is a super lightly worn pair of the Volt Foamposite Pros. It's an all Volt colorway. Now the outsole has a little bit of discoloration, but overall this shoe's in great shape. True will, these might be yours actually. Yeah, these are in really great shape. The box is a little beat up, but what Foamposite box isn't? So there's your first shoe out. Volt Foamposites in a size US 8. Hey, if you're interested in those shoes or any of the other shoes we pull out of this box, check my website out today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, sbmitch.com. It's on the internet. Got another Foamposite Pro, 7.5, Foamposite Pro Premium. Oh, cool. These are actually in okay shape. This is a size 7.5 pair of the Yeezy or Blink Foamposite Pro. As you can tell, it's a tip of the cap to the Blink colorway of the Air Yeezy 2, 1. I don't know, I don't pay attention to anything Yeezy. But there you go. It's a 7.5, pretty decent size. I mean, these might be Will's too because the outsole is very clean, not much drag, just needs a good cleanup. So size 7.5 Yeezy Foamposites with the original box, I think. What do you think, Pancake? Thanks, she licked my hand, that's good. Wow, this is quick. We got a LeBron 17 already in a size 11. So these are worn, but it looks like someone used them for basketball, but didn't use them too long. These are, I think these are just the Lakers LeBron James 17. This is the first time I've seen a 17 in hand, so jeez, Pancake, stop it! These are really nice. I'm not a huge fan of purple. It has nothing to do with the Lakers. I just don't like the color purple. I'm weird. This is a very interesting, there's a lot of details on here. Apparently the bronze are, regardless of the model, are just phenomenal. Phenomenal. Look at that. Phenomenal for basketball. So size 11 in great shape. Look, this is like no drag, no nothing going on in the outsole. Size 11, LeBron 17 in the Laker colorway. I don't know why LeBron boxes are so huge all the time. So we got 4 more in here. Got a size 11 Air Jordan 4 Retro. That's pretty awesome. Wow. A pair of 2019 breads. This is crazy to see. I can't believe someone gave up their breads already. It's a size 11, so it's a great size for Jordans. No midsole paint stuff. The uppers look to be in great shape. With a little bit of outsole wear. No star loss. I don't even know if the camera's gonna pick it up. And a size 11 too. Wow, I'm shocked that these are in here. No hang tag. Go figure, it's probably hanging on the rear view of someone's Kia. So there you go, size 11. Jordan 4 bread from 2019. Very cool. 4 down, got 3 more to go. Got an Air Jordan 11. I can tell from the box what it is. It is a size 10 Air Jordan 11 Space Jam from 2016. Looks like the insert is in great shape. Not cracked or anything. It's got the original paper and everything too. These are worn, but wow, they're in really good shape too. Original inserts too, so there you go. The Space Jam colorway of the Air Jordan 11. This is the 2016 Retro. These are in super good shape. A little bit of discoloration and wear on the bottoms, but it's all dirt. No, like hardly any toe box creasing on the upper. These are in great shape, but they definitely need a clean up. So let's go clean these sons of guns up with some Rejuvenator products. Obviously, I didn't stop the video to clean them and then came back to finish recording, but you can see all the pictures of how clean they are now, so. 2 more in here. An Air Jordan 10 Retro in a size 10. These are worn, but these are in great shape too. These came out very recently as well. This is the Seattle Air Jordan 10. This was a retro that was long overdue. And wow, for a 10, the leather on this is very, very nice. You can see this size 10 on the insole right there, or can you? Size 10 right there, which is a pretty neat little detail. These are in good shape. There's just some stuff on the outsole, just needs to be cleaned up. Doesn't look like there's any damage to the upper or anything, but this is a really, really great colorway that, I mean, I'm not a huge fan of green, but it's got enough green accents to it to really make it pop. So size 10, Jordan 10 Seattle, I guess you could say. Save the best for last. It's an Air Jordan 1 in a size 11, so that's pretty cool. Wow. Extra laces are all here. This is the Air Jordan 1 Nike SB collaboration on the Los Angeles to Chicago colorway. Now, I'm sure you all know that the purple and the gold rub off to reveal the Chicago 1 colorway. There is some wear to kind of show them. I don't know if it was intentional or if it was strategically done, but people love this color. Again, it's a Lakers colorway originally, but these still go for a good amount. Dang, this box is awesome. There you go, a size 11, LA to Shy, Jordan 1. This $700 to like $800 range for Sole Supremacy beater boxes is always, always the best. I've never been disappointed with a box like this. So let's take a look at the breakdown and see how much money we're gonna make. We're not going to, but see how much we possibly could make. Breakdown! Good. Ugh. I don't know what the numbers look like because I don't look until afterwards, but this is an awesome, like, no joke. This is a really, really awesome box. I am super happy with this box. This is why when you get a couple, like 1 or 2 bad Sole Supremacy boxes, you never lose faith because they always rebound and do a really good job. So thanks, Sole Supremacy. I also want to give a huge shout out and a big thanks to Rejuvenator for sponsoring this video. Remember to use my code SBMitch30 to save 30% off of any order that's $30 or more until tomorrow. After that, you can use my code SBMitch10 to save 10% off of any order. And also remember, tomorrow is the last day of $50 February. I'm going to be releasing a bunch of shoes at noon for $40 or less, so check that out. And then also the shoes on in this box will be available for sale today at 6 p.m. on sbmitch.com. Hey, good box. This really affects my mood. I love when I get good boxes. So, hey, have a good rest of your weekend. I'll see you soon. Till next time, take care of each other and remember to make it fun because shoes are supposed to be fun. They're not supposed to be a chore. They're supposed to be fun. Bye.